out here with Big Dog. Alright, Diego and Mona's gonna race.
Diego don't got brakes, so it's
Diego, yeah.
interesting.
Diego's on the left and Mona's on the right. Diego don't have brakes.
Should I throw a stick out there?
Car!
Car! Watch it!
It's a Gladiator too.
Dang, big money, okay.
Oh my boy, you got yourself a 2020. Alright.
Go! Come on! One of them popped up.
That was a good one.
Stop it. That starter ain't happy.
That fucking one about the wheelie.
I know, one of them was seeing like a flip.
Hey, y'all was like running into each other.
Going good? Yeah.
Why don't you start in second gear?
Let's trade.
But you gotta
Oh, let's do another one, then we'll trade.
do a second gear, but like when you're going slowly. Slowly. Go!
I got a good jet on his. This is fucking fast.
That's a second gear? Mona, the one that Mona had?
No, the one that Mona
Oh, the
has.
small one.
Yeah, the small one is fucking fast.
Project Torque.
Fucking run up.
Diego, what you doing intro like that? And you think Diego fell. Go see. He's walking? Diego's missing. Probably fell. Oh, he's over there. I see him. Alright, I got tired of waiting, so we're gonna go check them out. Oh, I think they're about to come back. Hold on to Mono's leg shorts.
Yeah, man down.
What happened?
Everything's man down. We got machine failure. We dragging shit.
Oh. Project Torque. Manda. Troqueando Cub. This is the Tacuache. And yeah. Puro tacuachando Cub. Oh, this is the other Tacuache. This one see quema. If y'all wonder, this is the Dodge Charger. We got little setbacks on it. It still hasn't been running yet. Here she is. She we had some technical difficulties, but in case y'all don't know, it's getting new pistons, brand new tune.
You can tell them what happened. Did you know I posted that thing of like on Instagram, like what should I film or something?
Yeah. Oh yeah, you can film about that. Oh, we got a new film.
Like, somebody was like doing an update on what happened to the Charger.
Oh, okay.
So somebody wants to know.
Okay, hold on, let me start over. As you can see, team no bumper. We don't got a bumper on the Dodge Charger. And a little update on the Dodge Charger. It was supposed to get tuned at Speed Tech, but that didn't happen because it did not want to start. And a lot of things happened behind the scenes. Long story short, is gonna get new pistons, the block cone, take the heads to the machine shop. So pretty much this whole engine is gonna be brand new, and it's getting forged pistons. I gotta get ready for it to get boost, cause I'm coming for this kid right here.
You got it? Yeah.
Right there, go. I'm coming for you. Like I said, this car is getting forged pistons, and it's gonna get ready for boost. I know you spraying, Diego, but hey, just watch, alright? You gotta wait for the magic happen.
I'm about to step my game up.
Nah. I know you got the twin Turskies, but
Nah, I have to spray. I have to spray that 200 shot.
That's not gonna. They go.
Do it.
It's not even gonna do it with the Turskies.
There's gonna be some competition around here.
Oh, big old competition. No, we got another bike. What's the update on the motorcycle, Dr. Diego?
They'll be fixed here in a few minutes.
Oh, okay. Were you spraying a lot, Mr. Doctor Spray 'em all?
I was spraying a 200 shot.
Oh, okay.
Wasn't enough. I only got by like a car.
Just a car?
Okay.
So what's up, Diego? Anything on the Dodge Charger that people want to know about?
What's your plans?
I'm beating you. That's my plan.
I'm pretty sure you will.
I don't know.
I guess we'll have to see and find out.
See and find out. I'm just waiting for Bailey's performers to freaking call me because they're taking their sweet ass time.
Be like, if y'all watching this.
I know. If y'all watching this, Bailey's, what the hell? I've been waiting for a month and a couple of days. My car's still sitting here.
If you get this video 100,000 likes, I'll race Mario.
Oh, no, Mono, you can't talk about Mario in this, okay? Diego, don't put that in, alright?
Nah, you gotta subscribe to your channel.
Oh, yeah, and go ahead and subscribe to my channel, too. I don't even feel like I want to do updates on the car because, I mean, it pissed me off a little bit. And there's a lot of minor setbacks on the car because I said so much things that the car was going to do and when it was going to be done, but minor setbacks. Very, very minor setbacks. Right there you go.
Yeah.
And,
So it's coming out stronger than ever.
oh, isn't pretty much the engine's going to be, excuse you, sir. The engine's gonna be pretty much brand new. Like I said, it's getting forged pistons in it. Everything that me and Diego put in is still gonna be in there.
It still runs like shit.
It don't run like shit, nigga. What the fuck?
It don't even turn on.
It does turn on. I drove it last time, just in and out. And
It doesn't stay on.
it don't stay on because of course it's not even tuned. And
Maybe that's him.
like I said, car's getting forged pistons. The block's gonna be honed out.
Yeah.
Bailey said they're gonna take the heads to get it machine shop. What else? Of course, they're gonna tune it once they're finished with it. Yeah, pretty much. That's the update. So if there's people from my channel looking at Diego's channel, cause y'all came from Diego's channel to my channel and y'all back over here. So that's the update. That's it. Don't ask no more questions. I'll record it once everything's finished because if I record things and it's just gonna be sitting there ain't doing nothing, what's the point of having good content if there ain't good content if it's just gonna be sitting there? Right, Diego.
Yeah, sir.
Chain falls off. Oh, I thought you fell. Back to the bikes. As you can see, a lot of red comes around to this neighborhood. We don't have nothing. We don't have no game related to nothing like that. But like I said, we got a red truck. Red van. Diego has red, motorcycle has red, mono truck is red.
Bye.
I'm rolling with the bourbon.
Finally, Diego gave me a shirt.
Oh,
That's why I got fired.
oh, Diego! And how about the taquachis out there giving a burnout? Freaking motorcycle could do burnout like nothing. Hey, when you were over there, did you like turn hard or what?
Yeah, that's why I fell.
Yeah.
I did it the first time.
I told you, Diego, you can't turn hard.
I did it the one time and didn't fall. I was like, fuck it. It's good. Did it the second time? Nope.
Let me ride this one. You ride that one, Diego? I'll be behind you in this one. If you can see how I'm holding the camera, I don't know if you can tell, but Diego's a little crazy. Diego is like is in a natural habitat right now. Oh, Diego, rolling shots. As you can see, I got myself a bike. I got myself a bike because it has cold airings I get from my nitrous. I got myself a bike because my car's fucked up. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
You hit Lois on the face.
She came up good.
Oh, we got the Donut King. First gear. Oh, he flying. Yeah, he's got a brake. Papa Willie. Papa Willie. Hold it.
What?
The Willie. A little bit. Yeah, no. Oh, he's getting ready. Oh. Double Willie.
Okay. They look cool though. Bet you by later on it's gonna be a perfect circle.
Yeah. I already made a little one over there.
Okay.
Did you see the track I made?